Watch 1-minute bar chart replay of LIPO and see how its bullish intraday price action made it number 7 top percent gainers today. Lipella Pharmaceuticals Inc. is a clinical-stage biotechnology company. It is focused on developing new drugs by reformulating the active agents in existing generic drugs and optimizing these reformulations for new applications. Its lead product candidates include LP10, LP310, and LP410. LP10 is the development name of its reformulation of tacrolimus specifically optimized for topical deposition to the internal surface of the urinary bladder lumen using a proprietary drug delivery platform. LP310 is the development name of its oral liposomal formulation of tacrolimus specifically optimized for local delivery to oral mucosa. It is also developing an oral liposomal formulation of tacrolimus LP410 for the treatment of oral graft-versus-host disease, GVHD. LP410 is an oral rinse like LP310, but has a different containment system. LP410 targets the underlying mechanisms of oral GVHD, potentially providing a safe and effective treatment option for affected individuals. Latest news catalysts. Nano cap Lipella Pharmaceuticals stock jumps on positive trial data in patients with sore mouth membranes. On Tuesday, Lipella Pharmaceuticals Inc. Nasdaq LIPO shared top-line and analysis of its Phase 2A dose-ranging trial of LP310, a liposomal tacrolimus oral rinse formulation of LP10 being developed to treat oral lichen planus (OLP). LP310 demonstrated a strong safety profile with no product-related serious adverse events, SAEs, or patient dropouts. The trial showed statistically significant improvements across multiple patient-reported and investigator-measured efficacy endpoints at weeks 1, 4, and 6. LP310 is the only oral rinse topical treatment currently in development for OLP. Affecting about 6 million Americans, OLP is a chronic inflammatory condition that targets mucous membranes in the mouth, which can cause pain and make eating, drinking, and even speaking uncomfortable. Characterized by symptoms such as burning pain, white patches, swollen tissue, and open sores, OLP has no FDA-approved therapies. In the first cohort, 8 participants received a twice-daily dose of 0.25 milligrams of LP310. Follow-up visits occurred at 1 and 4 weeks and 2 weeks post-treatment. The trial showed significant improvements across multiple efficacy endpoints while suggesting the safety and tolerability of LP10 in adult patients with symptomatic OLP at the 0.25 milligrams per 10 milliliters dose. The trial has progressed to the next higher dose cohort of 0.5 milligrams per 10 milliliters. Pharmacokinetic analysis showed that tacrolimus blood levels were undetectable or minimal in all patients, underscoring LP310's potential to deliver localized benefits without systemic toxicity. Lipella continues to recruit for the trial, with plans to activate additional sites and complete the trial by mid-2025. The company is preparing for key milestones, including submitting a Phase 2B trial investigational new drug application and a breakthrough therapy designation request to the FDA in the second half of 2025. The second cohort of the Phase 2A study is currently dosing, and top-line data is expected in the first half of 2025. Last week, the FDA granted approval for an expanded access program for LP310 for OLP. The program allows patients to access treatments outside of a clinical trial that has yet to be approved by the FDA. Lipella Pharmaceuticals gains FDA approval for LP310. On February 6, 2025, Lipella Pharmaceuticals received FDA approval for an expanded access program for LP310, an oral rinse for treating oral lichen planus (OLP), a condition affecting around 6 million Americans with no current FDA-approved therapies. This approval marks a significant milestone, enabling wider patient access and supporting ongoing clinical trials. The company plans to present positive Phase 2A results of LP310 at the BIO CEO and Investor Conference on February 11, 2025, highlighting its potential as a new treatment option.
Please like and subscribe. Thanks.